Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Shellpoint mortgage account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Shell Mortgage Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. Click on the link where it says Sign in Shellpoint Mortgage Servicing, because for some reason the first link won't work. So click on the third link. Then it will take you to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide a username and your password. So go ahead and enter your username. After that, enter your password. And if you want to recheck your password, you can click on this icon and it will reveal your password. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link. Then it will take you to a different page where you'll have to follow some security measures, and then you'll be able to recover your account. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials. Then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.